Oops. Did I ruin it? Okay. Hi. Oops. Hi, Leora from cheapalarmparts.com.au.
So what I do is I remove the old board. Who connected this?
Oops, it's already done. It has a maximum of 8 zones on board, while this, oopsies. Oh, right. Oh, it says radio. Oopsies. Radion.
Each zone has their own shared common. That doesn't make sense. So that becomes zone 5. So that becomes zone 5. Now for the zones, I normally, what do I normally do?
I need to be holding it here. Can take a Radeon B810 receiver. Wait. It's about the size of a box. And it comes in 4-button and 2-button versions. Oopsies. So awkward.
And that's it, you've programmed the board. Let's jump out of, no, that's not right. Oh. And your push button connections are connected to blah, 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 and blah, blah, blah.
But I'm looking at the camera. And scene. It's like acting quality at its finest.
Do you have any idea what you're doing? Oh.
Sorry. Go again. Oopsies. Don't be alarmed. Or be alarmed. Oopsies. And that's it. If you enjoyed this video, leave your comments below and like and subscribe to If you Take two. If you enjoyed this video, leave your comments below and like and subscribe to our channel. Also, you can catch us on Facebook and Instagram, and don't forget to visit our site where you can find all the equipment we've spoken about today at www.cheapalarmparts.com.au. See you next time.